And a beautiful, happy Saturday to you. Do a little cold start on the Mountaineer, put a little heat in it. My plan is to work on Jeremy's truck until it rains. And then we're going to work on the MG. Because the ultimate goal is to get the engine into the MG today. Hopefully. Alright, so we're going to head over, we're going to get gas, and we have to get Mother's Day gifts for Cindy's mom, my mom, and then we're going to head out to Papa's and get working on the projects that I have to do. So, let's do a little cut scene on our way through to getting gas in Ohio because it's 50 cents cheaper a gallon. Because Pennsylvania, you know. Garvia Auto Solutions, custom auto paint shop. Yes, I worked there at one point, and we did some pretty awesome cars. If you're interested in this story, I'll tell you at another time, but it's pretty wild, everything that went down in that place in the months that I worked there, and it's no surprise that it's no longer there. All right, so we're gonna do a little bit of repair to the cherry picker because it kind of got bent at one point. Don't ask. And we're gonna go ahead and get that, throw it away, and that together. We're actually gonna put the motor in today and try and get some of the parts off of stands and actually in where they belong. Hey, guess what? Engine's free of the stamp. It's actually these all we gotta do is create bolts. What's this part?
Mamas morning. Most people are good on K105. Hope you're having a great Saturday. Some of you might have to be inside right now. Maybe a lot of us, but... Oh, well, summer's just around the corner. I'm glad we're feeling it, right? Old Dominion, Luke Combs, and Florida Georgia line up next on K105.
Hey there, I'm Kish Brooks, and be sure to tune in this weekend to American Country Countdown. I'll be catching up with Luke Combs, Cole Swindell, and my buddy Keith Urban.
That lyrics don't know how to song. It may be Miss Home, Think About Home, growing up in Struggle, that just kind of flooded by.
Feels like coming. All that and more, so join us this weekend on American Country Countdown.
Hi, this is
Same liquid. So what if we try to use both?
Screw.
Oh. And what if you get a brake line that goes out?
And this car has no rear seal.
So wait, what if a brake line goes out? Tough. So you don't have a clutch or a brake?
Nope.
Right.
Hold on and hope for the best.
And you see these wood floors?
Oh, yeah, that'd be great for.
That's where the word floorboard came from.
Yeah.
These are wood floors. Like you, kiss somebody like you. I wanna kiss somebody like you.
You have the clutch and everything on the end, dude.
No, we don't know how to do that shit.
We're waiting for you, but you never showed up, so
We
just
tried-
mustered our way through.
We were trying to give you a shot at learning, but you just didn't seem to want to.
You'll learn that you're going into the wrong line of work.
Dude, I was in business.
Get your picture.
I had an inspection station and everything out here. You get people that's gonna screw you every time. No matter what.
Oh, I already get people at my work to do that anyways. It's not even that.
That's not right.
The clutch really doesn't have too many places to be.
I know, it can only go so far. Hey, go down a little bit. Oh, too far.
The problem is we can't go too far because
I
we have
know
to
you're
get
gonna
it.
catch on the mount.
I'm drunk on the plane.
Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Kinda. Sorta. Kinda, sorta. Kinda, sorta.
Whew. There it goes.
You gotta move this.
No, I just had to put my hand on it.
Not to.
That's all it took.
Teamwork.
Find some bolts fitted now. I don't know if they ain't have number 8s that she got or...
Shame the repop doesn't say Lockheed like the original does. Not like anybody will ever see it, but you know. It's fine. Ugh.
thrill of the
40
grill
years
event
in
at the
Corrosion.
with the best prices
50
of the
years in
season on
nastiness.
grills, tools, and accessories. Like the
What is it,
River
58
Grille
years old?
Charcoal grill and smoker for only 99
Yeah.
bucks. Regularly $129. Enough room for 22.
I think I got it
burgers.
cleaned up pretty
You
good in
can
there.
grill with it,
I think it looks
smoke
really
with
good.
it, And right now, save 30 bucks with
See
it.
if they can see it.
Only at the
I
Thrill of
think
the
they
Grill
can.
event going on now
Yep.
at the Home Depot.
Hey, guess what? Okay. Master cylinder is, if you look, it says Lockheed. So this is the master cylinder that comes in the car. To replace this is right around $250 to $300, whereas I think that was around 10 bucks. So we're gonna pop this apart, have more fun with it. Not exactly how we wanted to finish this, but you know. We'll just set that there, and whatever it gets, it gets.
An emotional roller coaster? Surprising. What's not surprising? How much you could save by switching to Geico.
I just need a little me time.
Geico. 15 minutes could save you 15% or more.
We're here with Tom Peranzino from pbauctions.com. And Tom, there's a little secret that a lot of people in this area don't know, but you are the largest building materials auction house in the United States.
Hey, they sure can. You know, our website is pbauctions.com, and on the third Tuesday of every month in North Lima, Ohio, right across from Sheely's Furniture, we do the big building supply and home improvement auction starting at 12 noon. So PB Auctions is a home improvement auction company selling products from all name brand manufacturers across this country. Kitchen cabinet sets, countertops, bath and kitchen fixtures. How about Anderson and other name brand windows and doors?
Well, except it doesn't lock in.
Tools, hardware store items.
I'm assuming.
That is Jordan Davis, and his home state album remains the hottest selling debut album for a solo country artist in 2018.
Oh my gosh, that's huge news. Congratulations, Jordan.
Hey, guess what? We have rebuilt slave cylinder, master cylinder, and we have all the rest of the brakes.
Motor's in.
Motor's in, transmission's in. Alright, so sadly I'm on a GoPro because my good camera went bad. The batteries went dead. Clutch slave cylinder completely rebuilt. The master cylinder for clutch and brakes also completely rebuilt. Transmission's in, engine's in, completely bolted down. It's really, really dark outside. And we are going to call it a night. So, as always, we'll see you on the flip side.